Greetings to all respected faculty who are listening to me. Hello, I am Shweta Samaria from TY BCom Division C. My roll number is 290. Today I am here to throw light upon the topic on advantages and disadvantages of privatization. So we will see today about the meaning of privatization, then its advantages and then its disadvantages. So first of all, what is the meaning of privatization? The transfer of ownership, property or business from the public sector to the private sector is termed as privatization. Now let us see some advantages of privatization in brief. First one is financial resources. The main advantage of privatization is to generate financial resources for the government in order to generate resources for public sector enterprises. Second one is optimum utilization of resources. It has been observed that public sector has failed in the optimum use of national resources. The private sector may success in the optimum use of resources by managing efficiency. Third is fostering competition. Most of the public enterprises enjoy the status of monopoly. It results in efficiency and losses. Privatization creates a situation of competition for public enterprises and they are forced to improve their efficiency. Next is reduce fiscal burden. Privatization reduces the fiscal burden of the state by relieving it of the losses of the public enterprise and reducing the state of bureaucracy. Then, better industrial relations. Privatization may increase the number of workers and the common man who are shareholders. This could make the enterprise subject to more public vigilance. Then more productivity. The private sector can improve productivity by maintaining efficiency in its operations. And the last but not the least, individual motivation. So the success of private sector results in the profit motive. And for that profit motive, privatization motivates the employees to generate more and more efficiency so that private companies can earn more and more profits. Now, let us see some disadvantages of privatization. So, the first disadvantage is improper working. The main disadvantage of this private sector is that it has fallen much short of what this sector is capable of what it has achieved in some other countries. Then, high cost economy. Another problem with the private sector is that its cost. In general, its cost is too large and the price of products are unduly high. And some miscellaneous disadvantages of privatization are widespread weakness, no guarantee of success, imbalanced development, some not good, I can say bad industrial relations, then no guarantee of success, and concentration of economic power. So this all about advantages and disadvantages of privatization. Thank you.